treating your team as an extended family. In I would tell my when my husband was he had a stomach infection sometime some 2012 or so. He was admitted in the hospital, and do you know who stayed with him in the hospital overnight? My driver one day and one of my staff member the other day. We have always treated our staff as an extended family. We celebrate our birthdays, anniversaries with them, apart from whatever target they meet. Once you start, how do you treat your team as an extended family, right? Then you socialize with them. Okay, how you socialize with your family members, friends. Once in a while, you once in a month have a go out and eat together, or whatever socializing team outing activities, team building. But I have seen team outing again becomes very official, formal. So you have to celebrate their birthdays, their anniversaries. So what we do is we also celebrate the birthday of our staff children in our, we call them, and then we cut cake in the showroom for not only the staff but their kids as well, right? We celebrate we with them because they are our extended family. And one other thing that we have done is giving great experiences to retail staff, especially because I realize in IT the salaries are better, but in retail the salaries are not that good. So I know that my staff will never go for a massage. They will never go for a spa session, right? They will never go for what do you say, facial, the girls, right? Because these are all to a good place, okay? They will never go and eat in a five-star hotel. They will never go for a lunch in five-star hotel. So it's very important to keep your team. You give them experiences which they will forever remember. Some of my staff had never traveled. It is like 11 years back now. They've not never traveled by flight. So we gave them flight tickets. So when they wanted to travel, or if we are going for some business related work, instead of sending them by train, that is what most of the people do, right? They will go by plane and send the staff by train, right? So your core staff, I'm all talking about the people who are contributing towards your business, because you cannot run your business all alone and you need support staff. And it is best to identify your second level to whom you should recognize, appreciate, compensate financially well, not just by words saying you're important, or not just giving them a lot of responsibilities, but also creating significant financial growth in their life. Okay? So it's very important to give very unique experiences to your team, because people remember how you made them feel. They'll always remember their first flight. They will always remember their lunch in a five-star hotel. Something they'll always remember a team outing in a luxury resort, which they will never be able to experience with their own money. So you can also have team traditions, right? For example, every target in our IT company, every target we meet, we always go for an outing. These are all bonding with each other outside the work-related stuff, right? So it's good to have team traditions. Like every year we kept on changing the traditions, like celebrating all staff birthdays outside the office. Then sometime, in fact, my husband's birthday we celebrated, or my birthday. One year we will call our jewelry staff, one year we will call our IT company staff, and then one year we will bring all of them together. We invite them to our home, how we invite our friends, and just socialize with them, have parties with them. Okay. So because they are our extended family, because whatever we are is because of them also, playing a very important role in our lives and businesses, right? Very important to give them space, right? Give them space to think, give them space to be their own, give them space so that they can express freely. They should not fear that what my boss will think. Will I lose my job if I say that, right? So because they honestly participate in every aspect of the business, and it's surprising what kind of brilliant ideas come up, and all these things help people become more responsible, work with ownership, and that's how they no longer say my role, right? They will do the whatever is they need to do, plus they will also do whatever is needed for the business to grow, because they feel responsible for the business. They feel as if they own the business too. So this is a very important aspect of your growing your team, okay? Because then people look forward to contributing, giving their best. And it is a journey. It does not happen immediately. And you as a business owner you have to make sure that you are driving this, and automatic. It is just like nurturing, how you put a seed and then you nurture it so the plant comes out and then it becomes a tree and it starts giving fruits on its own. That is how your team can also do for you. And this is coming from my real experience. In my IT company, my core team is still with me. In my jewelry business, my core people, core people is me. What I mean is the people who joined on the first year of the business are still working with us, right? So when I also said lead by example, so what happens is when I'm treating them as a family, right? So in retail, especially, you always end up having some customer who is unhappy with your product or services, and they will come fighting and arguing. So if I was in my retail showroom and if a customer is shouting and screaming at my staff, I would not sit quietly inside the room. I would come and face, right? So if somebody is shouting at your children, will you let them shout at your children? No, right? So it is very important as a business owner that you protect them. They may have done some mistake. It's okay. But don't make them face the brunt of the customer while you are there in the right. So I see most of the business owner, you did this mess, you only go and clean up, right? Okay. That is how you win people's heart. When they are in trouble, you protect and support them. Whatever is needed to correct in their learning and training, that can happen offline later, not at that moment.